Most people think arm training is simple. Pick up dumbbells, do some curls, go home. So why do so many arms stay the same? Why do some people grow fast and others don't, even with effort? Today, I'm showing you the exact 5 exercises that quietly make the difference. Exercise 1, dumbbell bicep curl. This builds the main size of your arms. Slow reps, full control, no swinging. Exercise 2, hammer curl. This makes your arms thicker and stronger. It targets what most people ignore. Exercise 3, concentration curl. This isolates your biceps for peak shape. Slow reps create real growth. Exercise 4, dumbbell tricep extension. This builds strength and thickness. Protect your elbows. Stay controlled. Exercise 5, barbell tricep extension. This targets the biggest muscle in your arms. More tricep means bigger arms. 5 moves, 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Stay consistent. Results will follow.